The best real estate investing strategy in 2023, the power of investing with zero down. 6 reasons why you should leverage zero down real estate investing strategies for long-term wealth with your houses. Real estate investing has long been regarded as a lucrative and stable way to build wealth. However, the traditional approach of using substantial amounts of capital for down payment and financing can be a significant barrier for many aspiring investors. But for the informed investor, there's always been an against-the-grain strategy that's been available. And in 2023, because of the market, has been gaining popularity and acclaim for its accessibility and potential for significant returns, buying real estate with no money down. I'm going to explore step by step with you why this innovative strategy is the best investing approach for aspiring investors in the current landscape. Before we get into it, here are a few of my successful mentor students who have used nothing but zero down strategies to make more than $1 million in 2 years. Daniel Regal from Illinois created his first $1 million in equity in less than 2 years from the time he joined my mentor program. Brad Pickett from Idaho bought 14 houses worth $2 million in 6 months. Shelley from Terre Haute learned the for rent method, and 1 month later she landed her first deal and made $3,000 just by following the steps faithfully. She then used the system to land more deals, and 2.5 years later, she had a portfolio of 73 income-producing properties worth millions of dollars. My name is Joe Crump, and I've been an investor and mentor for close to 40 years. When I started, I built a $17 million real estate business in 3 years, starting from scratch. In 1991, I lost it all because of wishful thinking and stupid but common mistakes. Unfortunately, I still see investors make these same mistakes every year. My ignorance and hubris trashed my credit, emptied my bank account, and caused me a great deal of humiliation. With no money and no credit, I had to start over from scratch. I needed a new way to invest because banks wouldn't touch me. That's when I developed zero down investing strategies that I teach and use to this day. Over the years, I've trained hundreds of people in my techniques and led them to real estate success. Here are 7 reasons why you need to be investing in real estate with zero down strategies in 2023 if you're not doing so already. Number 1, breaking barriers to entry. Buying real estate with no money down removes one of the most significant obstacles faced by budding investors, the need for substantial initial capital. Traditional real estate purchases typically require a sizable down payment, which can deter many individuals from entering the market. The median home sales price in the United States is over $400,000. A mortgage rate on a 30-year fixed is well over 7%. And that's if you have good credit. I hate to break it to you, but I've been doing this for almost 40 years, and I don't think it's going to change anytime soon. If you're waiting on the tide to change, you may just be waiting for a boat that's already sailed. Traditional methods of buying real estate just don't work for the average investor. Instead of having to come up with a large down payment and be subject to the rising interest rates set by the Federal Reserve, why not do a 180 and circumvent all that? Who has $80,000 to put down on a $400,000 home? Most Americans don't even have a fraction of that in their name, let alone set aside just to be able to purchase real estate. And if you do, the return on that kind of investment is just too low. The solution? Zero down strategies. They completely break the barriers to entry, allowing you, the new investor, a way into the market without having to use cash or credit. With a no money down strategy, investors can circumvent this financial hurdle, making real estate investing accessible to a broader demographic. Suddenly, your name is on the list. You're able to do it personally. I teach this method specifically, step by step, in my presentation, How to Make $1 Million in 2 Years. You can go to zerodownaaccelerator.com and watch it. This inclusive approach allows people like you with limited savings or maybe lower credit scores to enter the real estate market and take advantage of the potential for wealth creation. Leveraging other people's money and mortgages. One of the key principles of the no money down strategy is leveraging other people's money. You can creatively structure deals using financing methods like seller financing, private lending, partnerships, effectively using someone else's money to purchase the property. This technique enables you to control real estate assets without using your own funds and reducing your personal financial risk while still enjoying the benefits of ownership. I go into extensive detail on how to leverage other people's mortgages and money in the presentations on the Ferret method and in buying real estate with Subject 2. In a thriving real estate market, leveraging other people's money allows people like you to multiply their returns exponentially. As property values increase, your own equity grows without you having invested much personal capital. Expanding investment opportunities. By adopting a no money down approach, you can diversify your portfolio more effectively. Instead of being limited to a few properties due to capital constraints, this strategy allows you to consider multiple investment opportunities simultaneously. This diversification reduces risk exposure and creates a more resilient investment portfolio. In 2023, the real estate market offers multiple opportunities across different property types, including residential, commercial, and even emerging niches like storage, co-living spaces, and senior housing. The no money down strategy empowers informed investors like you to seize these diverse opportunities and adapt to market trends swiftly. Although I typically walk people through investing in real estate from a residential standpoint, the principles you learn in the Zero Down Accelerator give you the liberty to take the no money, no credit approach to other investment opportunities as well. I personally know people who have successfully utilized Zero Down strategies to purchase vehicles, commercial properties, even businesses. My partner Daniel and I recently bought a 23-acre facility in Illinois that we're converting into an RV and boat storage facility. And we not only did it with nothing down and no bank financing, we actually got paid at closing. When we're finished with it, this property will be worth over $10 million. Think about what becomes available once you know how to invest without leveraging your own capital. The real estate market in 2023 has come as a result of low interest rates that everyone had access to just a few years ago. What we're seeing now are many properties with existing mortgages that have fixed interest rates below 5% attached to them. Lots of people acquired real estate from 2017 to 2022, and this is an opportunity for the savvy investor. By capitalizing on these favorable financing conditions, investors using the no money down strategy can secure loans with lower interest rates, further enhancing their profit and potential. It means that they pay off faster because you have higher monthly cash flow. If you acquire property Subject 2 in 2023, chances are it probably has a lower interest rate than what you're able to get now. Take advantage and capitalize on low interest rates. You can only really do that with zero down strategies. Moreover, low interest rates create an environment conducive to refinancing and accessing equity. As property values appreciate, investors can tap into this newfound equity to expand their real estate holdings or pursue other investment opportunities. But honestly, I think it's better to pay off your loans and own your portfolio free and clear. Too much leverage will eat you alive. Flexible exit strategies. Flexibility is a critical advantage to the no money down strategy. When you acquire a property with little or no money down, you have more options when it comes to exiting the investment. If the property appreciates significantly, you can sell it for a profit. On the other hand, if market conditions shift or the property doesn't meet your expectations, you can explore alternative exit strategies without being tied down by substantial capital investments. This means you're never tied down. It means freedom for you as an investor. Potential exit strategies include selling the property, refinancing, converting it into rental property, entering into a joint venture with other investors. This adaptability allows you to navigate changing market dynamics and optimize your returns accordingly. Creating passive income streams. In addition to building equity through appreciation, the no money down strategy enables you to create passive income streams through rental properties. In my presentation, How to Make $1 Million in 2 Years, I discuss very openly how you can leverage other people's mortgages to acquire income-generating properties that are ready to cash flow. You can generate positive cash flow very easily when you can acquire the properties quickly with no money down. Positive cash flow provides a steady stream of income that can be reinvested into other properties or used to support your lifestyle. If financial independence is your goal, creating passive income, building your real estate portfolio is the way to do it. So there you have it. You've got 6 big reasons why the best investing strategy in 2023 is through utilizing zero down strategies. I teach these strategies step by step in my 6-month Zero Down Investing Accelerator, where I work with students one-on-one, helping them attain real wealth through buying property with zero down. What's the next step? My program might be for you if you're an existing investor doing less than 5 deals a month and you haven't found a way to predictably scale your income. Or 2, you're busting your butt doing a few deals a year, but you want more consistency with your income and you want to systematize, automate, and grow your business while you gradually extract yourself from the day-to-day work. Or 3, you're completely new to real estate investing, never done your first deal, and are looking for a way to get started. Maybe you're looking to replace your current income entirely, quit your job, and create financial freedom. If you'd like to learn more about how these zero down strategies work and how you can become a part of my mentor program, feel free to book a call with us. Here's the link. You might also want to look at this income earnings disclaimer. It's something that's required by all income opportunities and training programs. Good luck to you.